Today I'm making a healthy and heartwarming Moringa Leaves Dal. Something simple but so comforting, especially on days when you just want a light, tasty meal. Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen, Simply Grace's Kitchen. I got some fresh Moringa leaves, about 2 handfuls. There's something special about cooking with fresh greens, isn't it? I washed them well, boiled them for about 5 minutes and kept them aside. We will grind this into a smooth paste later. For this recipe, I am using a few crushed garlic cloves, 1 small onion, 3 green chilies, 4 tomatoes and 1 cup of dal. Nothing fancy, just everyday ingredients that make a delicious bowl of dal. I am preparing this directly in the cooker because when we are hungry, quick and easy always wins. So, let's start. Heat your cooker. Once it's hot, add a tablespoon of oil. Into this, add mustard seeds and jeera. The moment they start spluttering, the kitchen already begins to smell homely. Next goes in the crushed garlic. When it turns slightly brown, add 2 red chilies, the chopped onion, green chilies and a sprig of curry leaves. Give everything a good saute. This is my favorite part, when the onions turn soft and that lovely aroma rises. Now add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix well. And add in the tomatoes. Stir it nicely. Then add the washed dal and 1½ cups of water. Add salt to taste. Close the lid and cook for 3 whistles. Moringa leaves are known as a superfood, full of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. When added to dal, it becomes both comforting and incredibly healthy. Once the pressure goes down, open the cooker and give the dal a gentle stir. Now, pour in the smooth moringa paste and mix it into the dal. Let it simmer on a low flame for about 2 minutes so all the flavors blend beautifully. And for that final comforting touch, add a teaspoon or 2 of ghee. Stir it in and switch off the stove. Trust me, this dal tastes so good. I had it with hot rice and a little pickle and it was just perfect. A simple meal that feels like a warm hug after a long day. You can also drizzle a bit more ghee while eating. Friends, do try this recipe. I'm sure your family will love it just as much as I did. And if you like this recipe, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon too. Thank you for watching. Until I see you with another recipe, happy cooking and take care.